Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the front wheel hub on Ford Transit. This car is a rear-wheel drive, so there is no drive shaft, but if your car is front-wheel drive, the procedure is kind of similar. So first you need to remove the tire, you need to remove the brake caliper from the two bolts on the back. You need to remove this nut that holds this spindle. It's like the drive shaft. So we start by removing the brake caliper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove this center nut. In order to remove the nut, we need socket size 36. Next we're going to remove the 5 bolts that hold the brake disc, but actually we're gonna remove only 3 of them, and 2 of them we're gonna leave for later on. This is the spindle that the center nut was holding, as there's no drive shaft on the front. Next we're going to remove the bolts that hold the whole wheel hub. You can see the bolts over there through the hose. They're T55 Torx bit. Before removing the bolts, you should probably spray some WD-40 on them, just to lubricate them before removing. That's the Torx that I'm using, T50, not T55, T50. Next I need to remove the whole wheel hub from the wheel carrier, but it's seized in, so I'm going to use an air hammer just to vibrate on it and push it out. It's actually really seized, but good thing I have air hammer just to vibrate on it and It will come out eventually. We can see that it's almost out. And that's the whole wheel hub out. Next, we're going to remove the remaining two bolts that hold the brake disc, and then remove the brake disc. And that's the brake disc out. Now we can replace the wheel hub or just replace the wheel bearing, and then we can assemble everything in the reverse order. I have a video on my channel to show you how to replace the wheel bearing, so if you need to replace the wheel bearing, I'll leave a link in the description. Next, I'm going to put on all the bolts that hold the brake disc, and then put the whole wheel hub on the car. Before putting the wheel hub on the car, I need to clean the place where the wheel hub is sitting. I'm using wire brush to clean it. You can then lubricate it a little bit and then put on the wheel hub. I'm putting one of the bolts on right now, and then I'm going to put on the wheel hub, and this bolt I'm going to locate the hole and then put it on the right way. And now we can put on the rest of the bolts and tighten them. And that's the wheel hub replaced. Next I need to put on this spindle and brake caliper as well, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.